Bird on the wing, let that bird sing. Let's hope it will bring some sweet music. Sweet little bird, flying so high, don't let me down, just keep on flying, high above the clouds, beyond visible dreams, taking in all the schemes and wonder from your place up high. I will be there, I will be free in the air. Take me to the Cyclops Island. Let me see that one eye looking straight at me. I won't feel no pain, I don't need no gain. Let it be electric, let it flow, let it flow. I can see the heights of misery, I can see the lonesome struggle in me. I will find myself someday beyond the makeup and the other side, knowing full well it's all make-believe. We're made up to represent who people think we are, without even realizing we have to tear down the walls and see inside. Let's take off the masks, let's peel away the veneer. Let's get a little closer, let's get a little nearer. Let's feel close together, like birds of a feather, flying together on our endeavor. Ooh, a cool breeze. Ooh, new horizon. I have no doubt that we'll find a reason to believe, never to deceive, and we shall receive, taking it to another level, where all the pain and misery dissolves and fades away into the dust.